Welcome to a sunny spring morning at the National Gallery of Art Sculpture Garden in Washington, D.C. Let's take a cinematic stroll through this 6-acre oasis of modern and contemporary art. This playful monument transforms a classic, everyday office tool into a massive piece of pop art. Notice how the blue bristles appear to bend dynamically as if caught mid-erase. This whimsical bronze figure brings the artist's famous surrealist paintings into 3 dimensions. Its title translates to Gothic Personnage, Flash of Lightning Bird, blending myth with imagination. Looming dark and dramatic against the bright May sky, this massive bronze arachnid stands as a powerful tribute to the artist's mother, a weaver. Step directly underneath it to capture the true scale of its imposing architecture. This minimalist installation features 5 low-slung, faceted geometric shapes scattered across the lawn. As the camera moves past, their smooth surfaces create a shifting dance of light and shadow. Peering through the garden's perimeter trees reveals a stunning view of the National Archives building. The grand neoclassical columns offer a sharp, historic contrast to the modern art surrounding us. A massive industrial web of intersecting steel beams painted a striking bold red. The raw geometric lines pierce beautifully through the soft green spring foliage. This functional ring of polished granite chairs seamlessly blends fine art with public utility. It invites visitors to interact directly with the sculpture by taking a brief rest. Bursting with vibrant red and yellow pop art energy. This is the Latin counterpart to the artist's iconic love piece. a towering, minimalist slab of weathering steel that stands like a clean, silent sentinel against the grass. Its subtle, earthy patina deepens under the direct afternoon sunlight. A light-hearted and humorous bronze hair striking the famous thoughtful pose of Rodin's The Thinker. It brings a joyful storybook charm to this corner of the garden, an angular, sweeping monument of dark Corten steel that interacts beautifully with the shifting afternoon light. Its abstract form evokes a sense of continuous upward growth. Composed of simple rectangular bronze blocks, this abstract figure perfectly captures a sense of dynamic human movement. It looks as though it is caught mid-stride or playfully balancing on the lawn. Constructed from rows of white concrete blocks, this geometric mountain creates a dazzling display of sharp, repeating shadows in the bright sun. A surreal, elongated bronze chair that warps and stretches dramatically toward the sky. Its jagged, dreamlike texture creates an unsettling, yet fascinating silhouette against the trees. This complex architectural lattice of interlocking dark planes changes shape entirely depending on your viewing angle. It was named in honor of a legendary New York City street musician. The magnificent circular fountain serves as the sparkling centerpiece of the entire garden. In the late May heat, the dancing water provides a refreshing mist and a rich, soothing audio backdrop for our tour. Nestled along the fountain's edge, this charming glass-walled cafe is a favorite spot for visitors to grab a cold drink. The outdoor seating offers a perfect panoramic view of the surrounding masterworks. An authentic, elegant Art Nouveau cast iron gateway dating back to 1902. Its flowing, plant-like ironwork transports a beautiful piece of Parisian history straight into the heart of DC. A brilliant pop art optical illusion that appears to physically twist and invert its perspective as you walk past it. This stunning hand-welded stainless steel tree stands in brilliant contrast to the natural green foliage surrounding it. The intricate, gleaming branches look incredibly sharp and metallic in the direct sunlight. A geometric stack of burnished stainless steel boxes that catches and plays with the afternoon light. The hand-brushed surface creates a beautiful, shimmering texture on screen. This monumental stone and glass mosaic wall beautifully depicts the Greek myth of Orpheus. Surrounded by blooming late spring flowers, the thousands of colorful tiles glisten vividly in the warm sun to close out our loop.
That might be Nicholas up there by the sign. Oh, yeah. Orpheus.
Thank you for walking through the National Gallery of Art Sculpture Garden with us. If you enjoyed this cinematic spring tour, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite sculpture. Until next time.